India has all the ingredients of providing a world-class education setup. It just requires a proper vision and a will to do that. We realize that there is a dearth of education institutions within the country. That's why you see a mass exodus of students every year who go to foreign countries to take higher education. You have the best of faculty here. Infrastructure can be created just to fill that gap. We started Galgotia University.
This university has done remarkably well in a short span of time, listing itself as a premier university in the National Capital Region and the country also.
We at Galgotia University take three important elements of education very, very seriously. The first thing is the academics, the sports and the co-curricular activities. We believe that all these three elements are very important for the overall development of a student. We ensure that all these three elements are factored into our teaching pedagogy and focused equally. When we talk about co-curricular activities, we have introduced 40 clubs over the years, which students can join and follow their passion with. For example, the engineering students can join the technical clubs. The students who have passion for music can join the music club. We ensure that the students get the right training in sports. So we've got the best in the field with regard to sports trainers.
We emphasize a lot at the university is on experiential learning by doing. What we really ensure that beyond classroom, beyond theory, we have a lot of project-based learning that is going on. Practically in every course, the students are encouraged to experiment, be creative, innovate. And these three things, creativity, innovation and experimentation, really lays down the foundation for inquisitive minds, analytical minds, questioning minds. And I think that's what the global environment today requires.
I feel the approach of faculty also plays an absolute vital role in how a student goes on and develops himself. Because I feel student is like a blotting paper. They are there to grasp everything that is given. So if the delivery is correct, the university goals will be achieved.
The student-teaching relationship, that's the heart of any institution. At Galgotia's University, there's a mentor-mentee relationship that they have. We're trying to strengthen that so that there's also a lot more emphasis on curricular advising as well as job placement upon graduation. Another thing that we want to also do is to look at scholarship, research into education methods. And that's something that will be a continuous emphasis here.
We are fortunate that we have a diversity on the campus. Students come from all over the country and also from abroad. Currently, there are around 200 international students, and they bring in a lot of depth into our programs. And also our students interacting with many of them culturally. We also have a learning management system called Moodle, which is inbuilt into our pedagogy. Now what happens is within the LMS, we make sure that, for example, the lecture material that's been delivered through the lecture capturing device is loaded in. There is only 45 hours, for example, in the lecture. But there's a lot of material that's available, which we can give the students.
Our laboratories are equipped with best resource available for supportive to the lab experiments, and we have provided our students in the laboratory. The students can learn and do experiments beyond the curriculum. They are learning by doing the things, and they can apply their knowledge in developing the products, and they can connect their knowledge in the real world systems.
When a student joins Galgotia University, from day one we have classes running for the students, and it is now embedded in their curriculum that first we take them through the basics of English, English grammar, English language. We make them proficient in English communication. Then we also look at the aptitude, the reasoning part, the logical reasoning. Gradually, by the time the students reach the 4th year, we give them a good dose of cracking the placement tests of the mass recruiters.
We have signed up MOUs with major industries where the curriculum, after being set in sync with the industry, besides working with industry in framing our curriculum, we have people from the industry taking certain courses also. That's what we call curriculum applied learning. So this ensures all-round development of a child, and he is acceptable to the industry from day one that he joins the industry.
From a shy guy to the extrovert one. That was the gift of Galgotia, as you can see. All the faculties were friendly, the environment, the aura. So that really shaped me. 4 years of college was a big thing. It really gives me the confidence. So I can do much better, I can achieve better. Also I got the placement. It was really a nice experience. This campus teaches you everything. You can be anything.
Many of my friends attend this university. The report about the university is very positive, so I decided that if I should finish my degree, I can just switch to Galgotias for my master's. The infrastructure is nice, is great. Everything you want is available, everything needed to check out, and everything needed is available. The faculty has been helpful, the teachers are the best.
I believe that we have some of the brightest students in the country, and that is true by the fact that our students have been going to NASA and representing India for the last 5 years in the moon buggy competition. Our students have been winning at the F1 competition by building Formula 1 car which reaches speeds of 100 km in 7 seconds. A team of students is winning the ATV competition. Our sports teams are winning medals across the country. So we believe that our students are very talented, and if you channelize those energies in the right way, then the students can achieve anything they want.
In teaching pedagogy, we emphasize more on their lawyering skills rather than only project. We try to bring in interesting internal component assessment. We don't give them that boring report writing only. Like we have started MUN as an internal assessment component, and one of the student won second prize in BHU MUN.
We are perhaps the only hotel management setup in North India which is having also a hotel attached to the institute. Technically our labs operate out of our hotel at Gurgaon. So that gives us an edge above the other hotel management programs in the market. With the result, we have 100% placements for the batch 2012, 2013, 2014, which will graduate technically in 17.
We are preparing nurseries at national as well as international level. We are providing them the theory as well as the practical training with the affiliated hospitals. We are following, demonstration methods and, various seminars and panel discussions and classroom teaching by lecture method.
One of the main reasons why students choose Galgotias University is because of the placements. We are ensuring that there is a strong industry connect, there is a strong training which is totally aligned to the industry, and students can get on-the-job placements right from the third year onwards.
Today, Galgote University has become a center of excellence when students from all over the world are joining us to experience the rich teaching and learning culture. We will continue to provide the right environment for the student to join the university, work hard and create his own destiny.